Filipino American History Month, meaning Filipino American History Month, is a month-long observance in the U.S. in celebration of the culture, contributions, and lives of Americans with Filipino heritage, including Filipino immigrants and their descendants in the U.S. The word Filipino is used in reference to people from the Philippines. It is often used regardless of gender, but it is traditionally a masculine form. The feminine form is Filipina. Gender-neutral forms include Philippines and Filipina. The month is sometimes called Filipino American Heritage Month. It is often observed with educational events and cultural celebrations. The flag of the Philippines emoji Philippines is also used to celebrate the month. Filipino American History Month is distinct from Asian American and Pacific Islander Heritage Month, which is a broader observance, in May, in honor of all Americans with Asian and Pacific Islander heritage, including Filipino people.